to have.
You want to open that one up? Hayden, here's one from Aunt Teresa for Joshua. This one here. What's this? What's in here? What is that? Is there some blocks? What's this toy? You want to take it out? Okay. You want to play with that one?
It's like
Oh, look there. Does that look like a cool toy? Look at all the things it does. Look, Joshua. That's his
not
ear.
yet. We gotta wait for Josh to finish opening his presents first.
Oh, he'll know what to do there, 'cause look.
Oh, yeah.
It's got an on and
Is
off
that
button.
ear?
Right.
Is that a fun toy? We want to take it out of the box for him. Need a knife? Look at a knife.
I can work on it, Mom.
There we go.
Push that cake on his mouth.